in SC chain electric hoist, we have the chain guide, chain stripping cord. Then sometimes it happens that due to the mishandling of the hoist or due to the angular pulling of the hoist, the chain guide get damaged. In that case, we have to replace the chain guide and chain stripping cord. So now that process we'll see how to replace the chain guide and chain stripping cord. For replacing the chain guide or chain stripping cord, we have to first remove this gear rotary limit switch. Now he is removing the gear rotary limit switch by unscrewing this Allen screw. Now we can see this is the load chain wheel part. On this load chain wheel part, this is connected to the slipping clutch, and that slipping clutch Allen bolt is inside this load chain wheel, and we are adjusting this clutch torque or tightening the clutch with the Allen key from this side. This is the Allen key, and that access is not given to the party when the hoist is new or in the working conditions. When the hoist has to be disassembled or gear to be changed or something major rework part is there, that time gearbox is opened and the clutch assembly is done. That time only we have to adjust the clutch from this side after complete assembly. We have to take the load and we have to set the load. We have to tighten that bolt up to the limit that the particular load is lifted. This is the function of this Allen key and this bolt. But normally when the hoist is in working condition, there is a gear rotary limit switch fitted and there is no access to tighten or loosen the clutch of the hoist. For replacing the chain guide and chain stripping cord, first we have removed the gear rotary limit switch and we also removed the chain which was inserted in the hoist. Now we will take out the first chain stripping cord. After loosening these are the two Allen screws. With the Allen key, he is removing the chain stripping cord. Now we have removed the chain guide and that chain guide is refitted there. Now we have removed this chain stripping cord. That chain stripping cord is also we are fitting this chain stripping cord. This is how we will replace the chain stripping core and chain guide in urgency or some special case. Otherwise, when we have to replace the chain guide, that time we have to replace the we have to open the full assembly and replace the chain guide. And this is the process of replacing the chain guide and the chain stripping core.